It's here. It's the console of all consoles. It's taking shape. Oh my god! Oh! Woo! Alright. So it's coming. The PS5. It's here. It's here. I mean, it looks like a SpaceX shuttle, like maybe a modern day Tesla or something, but it's here. The P for pepper with an S for something else, and the 5 as a complete number, just because. But it sounds cool. We have ourselves the PS5, and here's the preview. Maintain composure, Isaac. Maintain composure. Hey guys, it's Isaac. Sony have come out with a gaming spectacle akin to nothing ever done before. Apart from the fact that the PS5 kinda looks like the Xbox 360, but we're not going to get into that today, okay? That's not what today's about. I mean, this console looks like it'd be better suited to an office than my room with the bunk bed I share with my brother. But I digress. I mean, look at the size of this thing. Completely shattering the size compared to the previous consoles and even the new Xbox. I mean, if you look at the size of the PS5 compared to the Xbox Series X, it does tower significantly over it. So this is probably the biggest console ever made. But it does look pretty good on the side. So I guess, if that's what you're trying to do, whatever. I'm gonna compare this PS5 to all the concepts that were supposedly leaked before. I mean, they're liars, okay? They got it way wrong. The PS5 looks completely different, and I mean, Sony did a solid job. I know, a lot of people are making memes out of it. They're saying that it looks like the Burj Khalifa. They're saying that it looks like the Pope's hat. Some people are saying that it looks like that one lady from Wall-E. But I think that Sony did a pretty solid job. So definitely an IIT thumbs up. If there's one reason why you should be getting the PS5, it would have to be because of the controller. I mean, this controller looks really impressive, and Sony are really looking to make the gaming experience much more impressive. Well, I mean immersive, not impressive. Really just bringing together all the senses, sight and touch especially. The haptic feedback on this controller is going to be amazing. This is what will be used to make you feel the decisions in the game. It's just another way of Sony breaking the barrier between player and character, and you know what? I really mess with that. The share button has been replaced with the create button, so one place to share, record, stream and take pictures during gameplay, which is kind of cool. We also have a built-in microphone accessed by an integrated speaker, which I'm not sure how practical that is, because who's going to be speaking to their friends playing Fall Guys while they are talking? I mean, just doesn't make any sense to me. Anyways, the headphone jack, which is standard with a USB-C port, which makes a lot of sense. Now, we don't know about the battery life for the PS5, but from what I've been reading and gathering online, it seems that could be between an average of about 7 to 10 hours, which I'll tell you something wouldn't be too bad. So hey, not too bad. We have adaptive triggers, which is about to have everyone feeling like they're really shooting real life, but they're shooting in the game, which I don't know if that's a good thing, a bad thing, but whatever. I guess this is where gaming meets real life. Ooh, also about the USB Type-C port. This means you'll be able to charge it using any charger, including even charging it using a battery bank, which I just feel is amazing. So I feel, you know, I feel. So that's an IIT thumbs up to Sony. So the SSD, aka the solid state drive, for those of us who don't know what that is, the PS5 will come with a custom 825GB SSD hard drive at launch, which isn't too bad. Not only is it much faster than any PS4 hard drive, even your own, installed ever, it's capable of loading high CPU games in milliseconds at ease, like a Ferrari Spider just going down in the beautiful cruise. Loading screens would be gone. PlayStation have also custom built their own 8-core AMD Zen 2 CPU and a custom GPU based on AMD RDNA architecture, which is 10.28 teraflops. That's a lot of calculating power. Back to the SSD though. The PS5 compared to the Series X is capable of 5.5 to 9 GB per second speeds, whereas the Series X is only capable of 2.4 to 6 GB per second. But we'll have to see how these numbers translate to real world use, because you just never know. Either way, it's a lot of loading power for both, and I definitely look forward to putting it through its paces. Now for that audio. Sony decided to make their own audio engine called the Tempest. Well, okay, it's called Tempest 3D Audio. That just sounds too cool. The whole point of this is for, again, a more immersive gaming experience. Sony wants you to feel like you are within the game regardless of your hearing situation, bringing the game to you. And you know what? I think that's pretty commendable by Sony, really just taking care of us. Now we're going to be talking about the visuals. Well, there isn't really that much to say about the visuals. I mean, to be honest, the visuals will be around the same, and the main reason for that will be because both the PS4 and the X1 have near photorealistic graphics, so it's kind of hard to build on that. I mean, the next step after that would be true photorealistic graphics, which, I mean, we're probably not going to get there for another 2 to 5 years, I don't think. Now for the exclusive games, oh, like, they've got some amazing games coming up. They have Spider-Man Miles Morales, they have Gran Turismo, they have God of War, of course, and I'm just saying that, look, The Last of Us, of course. I'm just saying, guys, look, the thing is, you just know that these exclusive games, they've had the DualSense controller in their hands for probably the last 6 months. They know exactly how they're going to utilize that to better make their product just feel and just react the way that they want it to look, especially with it being a PS5 exclusive. So I'm definitely looking forward to that, especially that Spider-Man Miles Morales, because man, the way that guy be jumping up and down, just doing crazy stuff, I want to experience that for myself. I need that in my life. So Sony came out and they gave us definitely a bit of a surprise. They came out with 2 different consoles this year. So they have the digital edition and then they have the normal edition. I guess they're trying to cater to those people who primarily just buy their stuff or buy their games online and they don't have any need for a hard copy. So I respect that, and you know what, kudos to Sony for that. The backwards compatibility is a thing that people are talking about, and in my opinion, I don't think that's something that's really important. As long as I can play my PS4 games on my PS5, I don't really care about playing. I really don't care about playing my PS1, PS2, or PS3 games on my PS5. I mean, at that point, you're better off just buying a PS1 on eBay. Anyways, guys, it's Itsisaactech here. Thank you for listening. Make sure to like and subscribe. And in the comments, why don't you put down a game that you're looking forward to playing on the PS5 or Xbox Series X? It's Itsisaactech. Tech tips for you. Have a nice day.